Best deals.
1. Gardening hand tools. Built with tough, heavy-duty plastic and industrial-grade metal. Each tool features ergonomic, non-slip handles for a comfy grip. Thoughtfully curated 5-tool gardening kit comes with a cultivator, fork, wide and narrow trowels, and a weeder. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Watering can. Made from high-grade plastic, the diamond watering can ensures premium quality for long-lasting. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Watering spikes. Customize the drip irrigation for each plant. Go slow for succulents or speed it up for thirstier greens. Designed for mess-free watering, this one-piece water dripper for plants prevents leaks, overflows, or soggy soil. Just reuse any soft drink or water bottle. This eco-smart water dropper with bottle compatibility makes setup effortless. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Gardening mat. Made of thick high-density PE waterproof fabric, waterproof on both sides. The surface is smooth and does not stick to dirt. Very easy to clean, quick dry, reusable, foldable, easy to store, stain-resistant, wear-resistant and long life. Suitable for early spring sowing, transplanting, seedling raising, potting plants, soil replacement, plant pruning, plant watering. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Water spray gun. This high-pressure water gun nozzle is fitted with ring seals at the back and front for a watertight connection that prevent any leaks. Water spray gun for car wash is easy to install, easy to disassemble. Just insert the 1/2 inch pipe at the back. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Picker basket. The lightweight basket provides you with a great fruit picking experience. It can be attached easily and securely onto any extension pole with the help of an adjustable clamp. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Weeder tool. Crafted with high-quality alloy steel with wooden handle features a hang hole and leather strap for convenient storage. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Hose hanger. This high-quality steel does not bend or damage, thereby offering you a reliable way to hang your garden hose. In addition to this, the steel is rust-resistant as well, which comes as an added advantage. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Garden clips. Plant clips for climbing plants are hollow, designed to ensure air circulation, reduce humidity and promote plant growth. The buckle design is lightly clipped, and the stable vine is not easy to fall off. Clips are used to securely hold the stems of plants to protect them from strong wind and rain. Prevents branches from bending and promotes healthier plant growth. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Small rake. Smooth handle helps easy adjustment of garden rake head in seconds and makes long-time gardening an enjoyable experience. The tight lock switch keeps rake head fixed in any width. Adjust rake head width. One rake will do all the jobs both in tight and wide spaces. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Trimming scissors. The stainless steel blade of this gardening shears is sharp and durable for easy and smooth pruning work. You can easily cut without damaging important stems and branches of plants. It can satisfy your pruning shears, plant shear and flower scissors for all your needs. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Fruit picker tool. Made of high-quality alloy steel with a high-temperature protective coating on the surface, which is not easy to rust and deform, ensuring durability, essential tool for the orchard. Prevents fruit from falling and getting damaged. The lightweight design minimizes physical strain. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Gardening tool kit. Perfect for outdoor potted plants, garden maintenance made easy with Holistic Garden Tools Kit, Premium 5L. Watering can and pressure sprayer for optimal watering, ready to use neem gourd and seaweed extract spray for growth and protection, crafted from high-quality materials. These gardening essentials are designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, ensuring they remain reliable companions in your gardening adventures for years to come. From digging and planting to aerating and weeding, these tools have got you covered. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Gardening clips. These products are durable and sturdy, ensure longevity and durability without any hassle. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Crevice Weeding Tool. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this weeder boasts excellent corrosion resistance and longevity. The smooth wooden handle provides a comfortable grip, making it an essential tool for tackling various gardening tasks with ease. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Telescopic Pole. Fruit picker pole is designed to be universal for different type of fruit pickers. This pole can be attached to hectare mango picker, lemon picker, papaya and other fruit harvesters. Telescopic pole is expandable up to 18 feet. It can go up to 24 feet including a person height of 6 feet. This pole can be attached to hectare lemon and small harvester. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Chain Trellis. Each hexagon offers multiple points for plants to attach and grow, ensuring even the most vigorous climbers can flourish, creating a lush, verdant display on your wall. Support various types of climbing plants like ivy, climbing roses, clematis. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Weeding Tool. Crafted with precision and quality, our weeder hand tool is constructed from robust high-carbon steel. This durable build ensures that the tool stands the test of time, providing you with a reliable companion for all your gardening tasks. This ergonomic design minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Terracotta Water Dripper Spikes. Made of quality terracotta, which has strong drainage and good permeability, and can balance soil moisture. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Garden Climber. Uniquely designed to combine a 7-inch diameter bird bath bowl and a plant trellis, this garden plant trellis offers dual function and breathtaking scene for your space. The bird bath, adorned with 2 charming birds, adding extra charm. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Garden Pruner. It is perfect for snipping away overgrowth, especially for indoor and balcony gardens. Use this tree cutter tools pruner for quick and clean results every time you shape your plants. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Grass Cutter. Equipped with a high-performance 230W motor reaching speeds of up to 7,800 revolutions per minute, this cordless grass trimmer saves you 30% of work time and energy, making lawn care effortless. Equipped with a 21 volts 2.0A battery, this electric lawn trimmer provides up to 3 to 4 hours of uninterrupted cleaning power. Fast charging in just 1 hour ensures continuous garden trimming without the worry of running out of charge mid-task. The cordless grass trimmer comes with 3 blade types: plastic for cutting new grass easier even in the presence of pebbles, stones, flat steel for lawns, twigs, and vines, and circular saw blades for branches and shrubs. The lightweight, rechargeable cordless mower offers increased mobility with a telescopic pole adjustable from 39 to 55 centimeters, accommodating various user heights and postures. Designed with a safety shield and an ergonomic, non-slip handle, this grass trimmer ensures safe operation with a side push button start that requires both buttons to be pressed. Product link is given in the 22nd link.